What is going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be installing the Proram performance filter on my 2022 Toyota Supra.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
I have the MST V2 intake. For these cars, what I really see is people running the MST or the Arma Speed intakes. I mean, these filters don't really give you that much performance gain. It's mostly about sound. So I spoke to my tuner and a few other high horsepower Supra owners, and they mentioned that I can replace the MST filter with the Proram filter, which is a lot bigger, and I might be able to benefit some more gains because the car is going to breathe a lot better. So that's why today we're going to replace this filter with the Proram filter, and I'm going to test it for you guys and see how everything fits. Let me first show you the Proram filter, and then I'm going to remove the MST filter, and then we can compare both of them next to each other. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, this is so much bigger. Let's first remove the MST filter so we can compare both of the filters side by side. And the MST V2 filter is out. This is the MST filter, and this is the Proram. To be honest, I really like the quality of this one. This one has been on the car for about 6,000 miles. It is a lot bigger than the MST. So yeah, should be a good upgrade.
A little later.
Well, hello again. It's actually the next day. I had some issues actually fitting this filter. This is actually not the one that is supposed to fit the Supra. There is a different size that is a lot shorter. So I spoke to a friend, and he actually told me I'm probably gonna be able to fit this filter, but I had to buy a few other things. So I had to purchase this from Amazon. It was like 10 bucks. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. But I had to order this silicone hose so we can connect the filter. So this goes here, and we're gonna connect this to the rest of the MST. I had to do a quick run to AutoZone. 3 of these clamps were $6. As you guys can see, let's put this here just for a second. Can definitely make it work. Now, the only thing I'm worried about, actually, ooh, yeah, we might be good. I'm just worried that it hits here. Yeah, maybe I can push this more further down into the silicone hose, and yeah, we can make that work. So what I'm going to actually do now is remove the MST box so I can have some more space to work around, and try to adjust this pipe, maybe try to push it more into the silicone hose so I make some more space for the filter. Okay, and it's out. Yeah, it's pretty tight in here. Maybe I can twist this up, but then I'm not gonna be able to put this back. So yeah, let's see what we can do. The only issue I'm having with this fitting, it's this part right here. So what I did is I twisted this a little bit to that side, and I think we're gonna be able to fit it. Now I'm gonna have to pull back the MST box and see if everything fits together. Okay, put the MST box back on. Now let's see if we can fit the filter. See if everything fits good. The only one issue I have right now is how to attach this clamp, because it's kind of on an angle, but I'm gonna figure it out. But I think everything is gonna fit. Yeah, I think we're gonna be good. Well, just tighten up this clamp here and we should be all good. Yeah, it was able to fit. Don't forget to plug in all the sensors, tighten up all the clamps. But yeah, I'm happy. Everything is looking good. I'm gonna take the car, do some sound clips, and I'm gonna test and see if everything is working good. And then I'm gonna send some data logs with the new filter to my tuner so he can see if this one is performing better. But I'm 100% sure this one will do so much better than the MST one. Okay, now let's do a quick data log for our tuner. Okay, third gear. Let's get it. Now my tuner can see if the new filter is doing better than the old MST one. The Proram filter, it's so much louder than the MST one. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but for everyone that's running the MST intake, I think that's a very cool mod that you can do for $100. The Proram filter is gonna do a better job. It's gonna be louder too, so who says no to more turbo noises? If you guys enjoy the Supra content, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next one.